I just want to walk you through, because recently I just activated the stepwise Geodirectory Stepwise form for one of my client test site. So it's a staging site. So this is the site, and he's using the stepwise form, the Geodirectory Stepwise form paid version. And now he have these three options to enable the fade effect, to enable the slide effect, or the stepwise form effect. So here you can see the form. It is a little bit customized for based on the client request, but overall the form works like this. You can see it asking me for filling up the required field, and if I click on the next, you can see the progress bar below it. So wherever there will be a required field, this form will force the user to fill up that field before he move on the next step. And at the end, they have this submit form. So I would say this stepwise Geodirectory stepwise form is an awesome way to convert a long, lengthy Geodirectory ad listing form into a stepwise form like this you can see on my screen, along with the progress bar. So which will be very good or interactive. I will say the user or the business who is filling this form, they will find it much engaging, and it will not be boring for them. So the cost is very minimum. You can download the free version from the buddydevelopers.com and from the product section. There you go. You can download this plugin from here. The free version is totally free, which you can see the $0 here. And with the free version, you only get this stepwise form option. But if you want the slide effect and the fade effect, like it is working here, you have to go for the paid version. Thank you so much. Go and check it now.